Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix subtitles not showing in the Language Reactor extensions. So Language Reactor is a great browser extension for learning languages, and it can display bilingual subtitles like this. You can see it, and it will provide a built-in dictionary for each word. You can see it like this. You can see,
Dos.
and even it will let you hear the correct pronunciations on here.
Dos.
Like this, but sometimes the subtitles don't appear because of a few settings, and here's how to fix it. First, make sure
¿Qué se
your
parece?
YouTube subtitles are turned on. This one, the closed captions on YouTube, and also just check the video that you are watching actually has subtitles available, at least in its original languages like this. You can see it, and then like for example in here in Spain, and then next just open the language reactor settings, this one at the right panel. This one you can see, just tap on settings, and then in here make sure the YouTube subtitle language is enabled, then select the subtitles language that match the video language like this, Spanish, and then after that just choose your preferred translations language on here. In here I choose English, and then next just check the subtitle display settings on here, this one, and make sure the subtitles are not disabled. So just tap on disable hide subtitles like this, and then after checking all these settings, your language reactor subtitles will be working normally again, and it will show the subtitles like
De
this.
estas dos cucharas. Pues que las dos son
Like
cucharas.
this. And okay, that's it. I hope this tutorial helps you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.